Hey everybody, this is Sid Brand again, back with another video. Today we have this 2008 BMW X5, and the symptoms that the customer is complaining about is the interior lights don't work, the mirrors don't adjust, and the windows don't roll down. So what that tells me is that their FRM, a Footwell module, has went bad. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to replace this on your BMW. And so this is the same on 2007 through 2013 BMW X5s, the E90 Series. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is come to the trunk of the car where the battery is located. So our battery is located under this cover, and it's held in place by what looks like two Phillips head screws right there and there. And actually I see one more back over here, and there's two more down here. Yeah. And it lifts right out, and our battery is exposed. So we're just going to take off the negative terminal, and that looks like a 10 millimeter. So next we got to remove the kick panel that's down here, because the FRM is actually located in here, and this is the driver's side. So we got some screws to take out. Got one right there, one right there, and one in this corner. They're all Phillips heads on this car. You have two connectors to remove. This one on this speaker and this one on this light. So for this light one, just twist it and pull it out. And for this speaker, just pull it out. And go ahead and pull it out the rest of the way. Get it out your way. We gotta take off this hood latch release lever. There's the Phillips head screw right there in the hole right there. And it just pulls off. Alright, so we have another Phillips head screw right here to remove. We're gonna pull off this trim piece that's going along the bottom. Pull this weather stripping up. And we're gonna need to pull it all the way up to this part. And really, once you get to this point, I haven't popped it all the way up, going all the way back. Once you get to this point, we got exposed what we need. We just need this piece separated from this piece, so we can take this trim piece off right here. Get the screwdriver under there and pop it up. After I pried this piece up, I put my hand back here and gave it a good tug, and this piece came right out. So now, if we look behind this carpet, there's our module right there. Alright, so it has some special connectors. In order to get those off, we have to push down on this little black piece right here at the top, and then that'll let us slide this piece off of the connector, this grayish, silverish piece. I'm just taking my screwdriver and pushing that little tab in and sliding this gray piece up, and it kicks it right out the module. Just pull that out. And there's two more connectors on the back. Looks like with the same situation like this going on. So you gotta push the tabs in the back of that and get it out. I managed to get both of them loose. As you can see, the silver things are in different positions now. But in order to take them out, I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt the module. And it has two screws. It has two screws. One right here at the bottom. There it goes. And one way up at the top. So they're both 10 millimeters also. So what I'm gonna do, since this other one This other one has slots on both sides. I'm gonna just take the one at the bottom all the way out, and the one at the top, I'm just gonna loosen it up and try to slide it out. Alright, got it out. Alright, I know it probably don't make no sense either. Now, should be able to just pull it up. Now that we got it forward, so we should be able to pull those connectors out. Got one out. Oh, come on. There we go. Both of them out. Alright, this is our old one. And this is our new one. There's actually screws sticking out where they both came off at. So we're gonna put the connectors on first, the ones from in the back, and then we'll put them onto those pegs and go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, so we can see it's good and sturdy now. So we can take our last connector and put it in. Alright, so we'll put everything back together and check her out. Alright, so we got good signs already. The lights are on. You can see that one in the back, that one over there. So let's test out these windows and these mirrors. Windows work. Thank you, Jesus. And now for our mirrors. That one's working. And that one's working. So we're good to go. Alright guys, that's all we got today. It's fixed. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think of the video. If you don't like it, dislike it, let me know why in the comments. Alright, peace.